Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Hope you are doing great. It's Yoga Lena over here. And definitely, we are all in for our session. So come through and let us dive into it. Okay. Good to have you all. Good to have you all. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, until the next. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Nature's Fox. Good to have you. Hi, Joshua. How are you doing? Hope you are doing alright. Hope you are doing okay. So, guys, today I'm just waiting for you to come through to join in, all right, and then we get started because we are on to what can I call it? But we are serious onto our learning. So even today we're going to learn something. Let me hope yesterday we learned something from market structure, all right? Because that's what we looked at yesterday. So today we are going to look at something else. So come through. Waiting on you, Haiti. Good to see you. Back door, I see you over there. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Pfizer is in the building. Hi, Pfizer. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing amazing. I know you're the only one. Okay, so we get it rocking. We get it rocking. Okay, definitely. Off with our first entry over here. And we have closed enough class. That's what I love. I love to see. Okay. Just a second. Just a second. Okay. So, guys, Pocket Option Broker, that is a platform that I'm trading on, and I'm definitely trading binary options. All right. So, with binary options, we know very well we are looking at something that is very, very risky, and of course, smaller time frames. When you look at my chart over there, 15 seconds, that's my expiration time. 15 seconds here, my chart time frame, and then 5 seconds for the candles. Okay, so that's how smaller the time frames are. It being risky, it does not prevent us from making some money out of it. Learning what to do, knowing what we have to do, that is the most important thing. So join in. Let me know how you are doing. How is your day today? How is everything going over there? How is everything going over there, guys? Today is a Sunday. How is it going? For the people that are closing the day, how has it been? Let me hope it's all going on well. because over here I am alert and ready for the market. That is my anticipation, and of course, that is my positivity. So, join me, let's analyze the market together, and then we see how it's all going to play out. Of course, we come to the market knowing what we know, but it does not take away the fact that the market does what it does best, making us look like crazy people, making us look like we do not know exactly what we are doing. But for as long as you are holding on to your trading skills, have the knowledge, all right, then everything always plays out right. Okay. Oswell, good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, Rufus is in the building. Hi, how are you? How is it going over there? Old time fave. Vanakam, Vanakam, Vanakam. How is Sri Lanka? How is it going? Hope it's going well. Hope it's going amazing. And to the next, I see you over there. So, guys, today we are going to. Yesterday we looked at market structure, right? I just wanted us to have a clear picture of when we talk about market structure, what should we have at the back of our minds, right? What we should always have at the back of our minds is the fact that we are going to definitely look at the higher highs, the higher lows, so right? We are going to look at Okay, we are going to look at the higher highs, the higher lows for an uptrend. We are going to look at the lower highs, the lower lows for a downtrend, and how are we supposed to handle them, all right? Then we are also going to look at a mixture where at least we know very well that both parties are in the market. How do we still handle that? So that's why I wanted to have or to give you a clear picture about about exactly when I talk about market structure, what should always come in your mind? What should you have? What should you think about? What should you look out for? When we talk about the higher highs, of course we are breaking above the previous high. When you talk about the higher low, of course, definitely right by now, you know that there we are having a pullback in that particular period, just like what we are trying to experience over here on the chat. Okay, hope you are seeing that. We are absolutely in an uptrend, and a pullback formation over there is what we are looking at. All right. Okay, so today we are going to look at the candlestick patterns. With the candlestick patterns, what do you have to know as a price action trader or as any other kind of trader using any other strategy? First of all, I'm using price action as my strategy, and that's how I'm rocking it. So, right. So, what strategies are you guys using in your trading? I'm doing my very best to teach you my own, but if you have one strategy that is doing for you amazing, wow, amazing wonders, please do not let it go because of my own strategy. All right. Okay, so on to the next. I see you over there, Rufus, all the way from Nigeria. Hi, how are you doing? How far? How far? How far? I love that, by the way. I love it so much. Like, sometime when I just learned it, I was telling my brother how far, and then he was asking me how far. Like, what do you mean? I told him that is a greeting in Nigeria. They are trying to mean how are you, like how is everything. It's so interesting. Good to have you. Good to have you. Z4, I see you over there. Good to have you, my dear. Good to have you. So we can light it up, out, out. We can light it up. So we can light it up, out. We can light it up, up. Okay, Zalo is in the building. My brother is here saying he needs. Okay. Personally, I cannot say you can manage. I say you cannot manage. First of all, I'm taken. That is number one. Number two, my chats are my other sweethearts. So over here, I appreciate all of you. I appreciate the love. All right. All time fave, fingers crossed. Let's believe for the very, very best. The market should give us exactly what we need. Trading. Good to have you, good to have you. A68TT. Greetings, greetings, greetings. Okay, so let us get into with the candlestick patterns. Okay, of course, as I do my personal tradings over here, let us see what we can learn for the day. Okay, so like I said earlier, today we are going to look at we are going to talk about the candlestick patterns and how they can help us understand price action. Of course, that is the strategy that I use. So a candlestick is basically a story. Okay, like I keep telling you, the candlestick, the candlesticks always tell different stories, all right? So it's a story what happened between the opening and the closing price. Okay, we have an opening price and we have a closing price during a specific period, and us as binary options traders, remember we are looking at that during that period, we are looking at that expiration time, which is 15 seconds for my case. So when we take time and we study these candles, we observe a few things, and these are the most important things. As we take our time to study the candles, we are basically looking at a few things. Of course, we are going to observe the momentum. Okay, very, very important. We are going to observe rejections, we are going to observe indecisions, then we are also going to observe the possible changes in market structure, which we looked at yesterday. All right. Okay, so, all right. As we see, how beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, guys. We keep it going with a continuation over here, and we see how it is going to close. Zala over there. Oh dear. You should not be sad. At least let's learn. Let's learn, and that should cover the sadness, okay? But good to have you all. Good to have you guys. I'm so excited that you are all here. So let's go. We have a few candles that we are going to look at today. Let us look at a bullish candle. When we look at a bullish candle, we are basically, that to us, it should mean that price closed higher than where it opened. All right. Initially we had uh, an opening of a certain price, but then we are looking at a bullish candle forming, and it has closed above the previous candle or higher than the opening. All right, so when we see several bullish candles together, it can show that buyers have been pushing price upwards, right? That is what it means to us when we see the bullish candles forming. It shows that the price, of course, is pushing upwards. But we do not automatically enter just because we see a green candle. By a green candle, I'm talking about one candle, all right? When you see just one candle forming, it does not justify the fact that, okay, it forming, we should place in buy entries, okay? There are other things that we need to consider us as traders. So what if we have a number of candles, green candles forming, that clearly gives us the confirmation that we should buy or we should enter into the market. But just one candle, no guarantee at all. Okay, so we want to look at the surrounding market structure. How are things working? How is the market structure before we place in a buy entry? So consider that for a bullish, all right? Then for the bearish, definitely for a bearish candle, it closes below its opening, okay? Its opening price. So when we had an opening price, but then we are going to have a close below it, giving us a bearish candle. So that tells us that sellers controlled that particular candle again, okay? One bearish candle isn't enough by itself, like I explained in a bullish situation. One candle does not justify anything, be it in a pullback, be it in a continuation, be it in any situation that you might be in. Wait for at least 2 to 3 candle formations, then you can draw a conclusion or you can have a confirmation. But one candle, no guarantee. So there, of course, we should look at where it appears and what price has been doing before that. If we are having one candle that has been formed, what are the other candles? What is the surrounding telling us? What is happening in that particular situation? Not just seeing one bearish candle and then we rush into selling. There, definitely, we are going to close in a loss, or we are going to, we are going to start thinking otherwise that, trading is difficult and all that. Wait for a formation, wait for a number of candles, same candles forming, and then you can definitely move ahead. Of course, as we proceed over here, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, Heidi, good to see you. I see you, my darling, over there. That is Abdul. Hi, hi, hi. Jay is in the building. Hi, Jay. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, look at who we have in the building. That is Kofi. Hey Kofi, how are you, my brother? How is it going? How is the weekend? How is Italy? How is everything over that side? Hope all is well. Guys, greetings, greetings, greetings to all of us. I always love sending greetings to where we are watching in from. It makes me so happy. So that is for a bullish candle. Let us continue. We are trading, we are chatting, and we are learning. How amazing is that? Okay, so let us look at a pin bar. Okay, we have a pin bar. For a pin bar, it has a relatively smaller body and a noticeable wick. All right, so the wick can show rejection of a price level. For example, let us give an example. If price moves down into support and leaves a long lower wick, all right, we are seeing evidence that lower prices were rejected. That is with a pin bar. Then we are looking at a doji candle. When it comes to a doji shows that the opening and closing prices were very close. Okay, I believe by now we know that. It can represent indecision. Remember, when I was introducing the candlestick patterns, I talked about what the candlestick patterns or the candlesticks help us. They help us in identifying momentum, indecision, rejections, and possible market structures. All right, so these are some of the things that we look out for. So for the doji, it can represent indecision, where we can see so when we see a doji, do not immediately assume the market will reverse. All right, when you see a doji, all these candle formations, when you see them, first give them time. Do not rush and make confirmations or make conclusions. Okay, so wait for the next candles. Okay, the next candles, and then look for confirmations. The next candles that form after the doji give you a go ahead of exactly what is going to happen. Are we going to have a reversal? Are we in a continuation? Are we like, these candles help you a lot, not just focusing on just one candle like this. Okay, my brothers and sisters, let me hope we are moving together. Let me hope we are learning something today with the candlestick patterns. So let us look at an engulfing candle. I love engulfing candles so much, so much. So an engulfing candle occurs when a candle's body strongly overtakes the previous candle's body. Let me give an example. A bullish engulfing pattern can show increasing buying pressure, meaning the previous candle probably, of course, was a sell candle, but it was engulfed or it was covered by a bullish candle. Okay, so over there we are seeing increasing buying pressure. Then of course, when it is the other way around, a bearish engulfing pattern can show increasing selling pressure. So an engulfing candle is very easy to identify because of course for it has a big long body compared to the previous candle that has been formed. Okay, hope we are together today. I'm taking you slowly, but of course, as we do our donations at the same time, we are moving slowly. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. In this room, it's just us. No, it's not the same as it was in this world. Okay, that is Enoch. Hi Enoch. What's up? What's up? Good to have you here. Ooh, oh my goodness. Just our last attempt for Winfred, and then we have closed in our loss. Not good at all. Not good at all. So sorry about that. Classic Duke. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay, backdoor SMA. All right, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. So, okay, we are here to learn. You find that there are other people that are using it, and of course, they are benefiting and they are having profits out of it. So, thank you for sharing, Backdoor. Thank you for sharing. I think I fell in love with price action, but definitely, as you have advised, I will, in my free time, I will take my time and go through it and see. Daddy Stocks, good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay, hope you are doing amazing, and we are trading together. Beautiful, beautiful. That is for Bruma. I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. I'll be there, yeah, I'll be there for you. So for Bruma, okay. Look at after that pullback, we are having a continuation. That's why I have placed in a buy position. We are in an uptrend. Oh, beautiful, and definitely close in a plus over there. So let's go, guys. We keep it rolling. We are taking it for 5 items and 2 are down. Okay, and to the next. Can you teach me this one when you are off live? The candlestick patterns. I always love sharing information over here when we are trading, such that most of us get something out of it. We learn something out of it. But anyways, let's see how we can go about it. Beautiful. With our continuation over here. I'll be there for you. I'll be there. I'll be there for you. Beautiful. See what you do. Okay, Daddy Stocks, I see you over there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. We are trading together. I'll be there. I'll be there for you. Boom! I see you over there. Good to have you. Good to have you. I'm very tired. My body needs sleep, but I'm waiting for your live. Thank you all time, Fave. I appreciate you. I appreciate you, my dear. Thank you so much. I'll be there for you. Thank you so much. And definitely, we believe for the very, very best. Okay. Two more attempts to go. Okay, so with the candlestick patterns, like we have gone through, we always look at a few things and then we definitely strike into the market. But one thing I cannot leave behind, the biggest mistake is memorizing patterns and taking every signal. Not every signal is worth it, all right? A candlestick pattern does not have the same meaning everywhere on the chart, okay? It depends on all the surrounding factors, okay? So what we have to know as you are considering a candlestick pattern, we have to know, are we in an uptrend? Are we in a downtrend? Are we in consolidation? Those are things that you always have to be considering, all right? Okay. We say things we don't mean. So when we are looking, of course, you have to consider, are we in an uptrend, a downtrend, consolidation? Are we, is there a strong momentum? When did this candle form? Where did this candle form? All these you have to consider them. Okay, so just concluding with my session for the day. Look at that. One more to go. Oh. Okay, so we are definitely, I love those candlestick patterns. Okay, hi Duke. What's up? Good to have you. Beautiful. Okay, so Duke, I am streaming live from Canada over here. How about you, Duke? Where are you watching me from? Where are you tuning in from? Let me withdraw for Boomer. Congratulations. Somebody like you. Okay, Duke is all the way from India. Namaste, namaste. Do I say namaste to you or do I say vanakam? You know, I'm learning. My amazing people from Sri Lanka are teaching me a few words here and there. So, vanakam or namaste? Which one are we going to go with? Okay, Abu, all the way from Uganda. Good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. How are my amazing people of Uganda? Such an amazing country, a beautiful country. Okay, Sanjay is in the building. Hi, Sanjay. What's up, my brother? Vanakam. How is it going? Hope it's all well. Good to have you. Okay, so Sanjay, today we were talking about candlestick patterns, right? How, what we should consider, right? Beautiful. What we should consider, how to read them, when to enter, when not to, you know. Okay, today I'm trading with Daddy Stocks. Okay, beautiful. Let's go. No, I wanna please. Okay, that is a Reiki. A Reiki. Wow, you are beautiful. You are taking a huge risk. I trade on the 3 minutes. Oh dear. Jackson trader. This is so not good. So heartbreaking. So sorry about that, Jackson. We have lost it right there. So sorry about that, my darling. Okay, so we proceed to Noctive. We are taking it for 3 attempts. Let's see how that is going to go. Okay, I trade on 3 minute time frame and rarely trade on the minute time frame. You know, when I'm trading over here, I always advise my fellow traders, choose a time that you are comfortable in, a time frame that is going to work for you. Okay, do not choose one because Lena is trading at 15 seconds or at 30 seconds, and you also choose that. If that is girl make me say, you are make me say. That is a record if 3 minutes are good for you and they are okay for you, please go on with that. All right, go on with that. Thank you for the positivity. That's the way to go. Guys. All right. Godfrey, good to have you. How are you doing today? It's a beautiful Sunday over here. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Sanjay, how is everything, Lena? Okay, so Sanjay is asking me whether I'm okay today. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. What's going on in the market over here? Not lovely at all. Sanjay, today I'm doing amazing. Aren't you seeing the difference? Aren't you seeing the smile? Today I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. Just this market should behave like as if it can't hear me. But anyways, I'm doing great. I'm doing amazing. I'm all set for the session. Kenneth, good to have you. Good to have you. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Slowly. Thank you, Duke. We keep it going and we definitely keep it positive. I've not seen Godwin yet, but I'm very sure he is on his way. Okay, so guys, from today's trading tips, let me hope at least you have learned something. Let me hope you have understood something. Okay, and of course, if you have any questions about about market structure, about candlestick patterns, do not hesitate. We are here to learn. We are here to understand. We are here to improve ourselves to become better traders. Look at that. Beautiful. That is for Juniper. Slowly. Sanjay, keep smiling, keep moving. Our mentor yesterday, something was missing today. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I am amazing. You know, I've actually been on medication and it has helped me. It has worked really, really very fast. So I'm amazing. I'm doing okay. This is it. His planet turns slowly. Lekala is in the building. Who has seen Lekala, guys? Hi, Lekala. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing today? Hope you are doing amazing. Hope you are doing okay. Good to have you for today's session. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope all is well. How is South Africa? South Africa. I do not know when, but one thing I know is the fact that I have to go to South Africa. I have to go to South Africa. That is in my. Tell me what you see. Oh, another thing. Baby, I smile. You make me wanna hold you to the morning light. Okay. The color is doing great. He is doing amazing. That's lovely as we definitely. Today, people have risked huge amounts. Baby, I'm tired of being friends. I wanna know. Okay, we proceed. Mhm. beautiful. I love it when I place in a trade, and I definitely close in a plus. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. I love this. Guys, trading, that's the one thing that you can give me, and I feel I'm fulfilled. All right. So I love trading so much. And when it comes to our sessions that we always have here, I think every single day I keep cutting off 2 years. So you guys, you shall be here, and I will tell you I'm 5 years old, and you have to allow, you have to accept. Because every day I come for the sessions and I meet you, my most amazing people. I feel like I'm growing younger, so why not? Hi Tete, good to have you, good to have you. How are you doing today? How are you doing? Okay, I'm seeing Adar is in the building. Hi Adar, how are you, my darling? Hope you're doing amazing. Hope you are doing great. I saw my Henry somewhere. I remember seeing you. I remember seeing you. My Henry is Adar's husband. So just know I have a family over here. So please, Anna Mbatha. Hi, my darling. How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're doing amazing. Beautiful, beautiful. Romeo is in the building. What's up, Romeo? Good to have you. Where is my Henry? I'm going through my chats over here. Unless I saw badly, but I remember seeing Morady. Hi, Morady. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. My Henry is over here. How are you? How are you doing? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Savage love. Break your heart. Okay, so we are taking it for 3 items. Let's see. That is a plus. Alright. Who is seeing how the weekend is ending? I'm seeing profits after profits, guys. Etc. I've been amazing. How have you been, my love? How have you been? Okay, Papito is in the building. Hi, Papito. Hope you're doing okay. Hey. Jesus Christ, look at that spike over there. Not good at all. Not good at all. So sorry about that Passy phone. So sorry about that. Ooh. But let's keep going, guys. Not losing the positivity. We keep it going. Vero, let's see. 4 items. Okay, Papito, good to have you. Good to have you. My Henry. Okay, lovely. I remembered that I had seen you in the building. Just that I was so focused on the candlestick patterns. But you see, my memory is so good. Okay, good to have you, my dear. Good to have you. Okay, Sanjay. All right, Sanjay is checking on our people over here. Friend. All right, Sanjay, I love you to that. Thank you, my darling Sanjay. You know, I did not call Sanjay my darling sometime, and then he was. Do not feel that. Everyone here, you guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. I feel so happy whenever our time for the session comes. I feel fulfilled. Have you ever felt fulfilled? So I appreciate you guys so much. For anyone who has not yet liked, who has not yet subscribed, please do not waste time. Hit that like button for me and subscribe. Right? Adar. Yes, my darling. Yes, my darling. Let's learn. Let's take it one step at a time. Okay, so please. Yesterday, market structure. Today, candlestick patterns. Tomorrow, we shall see what we can look at. So, right? Actually, it can be an open, since we are all here and we are here to learn. Tell me, what do you want to know about? What do you want us to talk about? Feel free with me. This is our time. So we are here to shine, all right? So just make sure that you let me know what is giving you a hard time. Where is the challenge? Let us talk about each and everything, all right? Okay. Okay, my Henry, been great. That is lovely. That is lovely. Really? Oh my God, you guys, you're making me feel in a certain way. All right. Thank you. Let us proceed. Somebody. You remember what we talked about the higher low, right? Yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. We have one more to go for Vero. Oh, Maradi Women's Day is today in South Africa. Oh, wow. That's lovely. Okay, happy Women's Day to all the women over here. Lovely, lovely. Congratulations to Vero. Happy Women's Day to every lady, to every woman over here. And of course, the few that I see here, that is Adar, Anambatha, Lena. For any other ladies in the building, please let me know. Let me know such that we wish you happy Women's Day all the way from South Africa. All the way from South Africa. All right. Okay, Sanjay. Happy Women's Day, my sisters here. I know. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Marady. Thank you for sharing with us. Adar. Sanjay was jealous. Guys, you didn't know how much I love you, how much I appreciate you. You make me who I am, all right? So thank you so much. We are here to learn. Let us always utilize the time that we have over here. All right. Tete. You haven't mentioned my name. Really. With all the love that I mentioned your name with, you did not hear me. Hi, Tete. Good to have you. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Good to have you. Good to have you. You guys, you're going to kill me one day. Of course, not killing me, but just keep killing me with happiness. Marady, I see you over there. I see you. Hazy, hi, my darling. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for always coming through. Thank you for always coming through. Guys, let's proceed. That is Otto. 2000 is our tech profit. Okay, all-time fave. Lena, I think there is no my name on the donations list. Just a second. Okay, so all-time fave. When you are sending in your donation, did you use all-time fave? Is that the name that you used? Fill me in such that I check, because at least we still have time. All right, we still have time. Mm. All-time fave, I'm here and I want to work on you. So please, is all-time fave the name that you use when you're sending in your donation? Okay. If not, what name did you use? And did you send me the wallet? Did you send me the wallet on Telegram? Let me know. We still have time, so I should be able to trade for you today. Just give me the information right about now. Okay, so the name you used, Binance. Don't wake up. Okay. Let me check that out. Beautiful. Yeah, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes. In the morning when the sun starts to rise. So mama, don't stress your mind. We got a ticket that takes us wherever we like. We got our problems, but just for a minute, let's push all our troubles aside. Alright, 'cause we got the keys to the universe inside our minds. Yeah, we got the keys, babe. You wanna wake up one day, wishing every tomorrow. I wanna live fast, never look back. A broker Binance. Don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes. Give me back in the morning when the sun starts to rise. So, mama, don't stress your mind. Stress your mind. Hey, mama, don't stress your mind. We coming home tonight. Hey, mom, we're gonna be alright. Try those eyes. Give me back in the morning. Okay, all-time fave. I'm checking it out. So right, I'm checking it out. Abdul Mbalo. What's up? Good to have you. Okay. All time fave. I got you. Let's see. That is for Kurt to burn 5 atoms. Let's see. Okay, so my amazing people in the comment section, how are we doing? Hope we are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. How is it going? Let me hope you are planning for next week. All right. On my end, I do a weekly, should I call it assessment? But at the end of the week, I always have to check myself through, see how I've done in the week. All right. Have I hit the targets that I set at the beginning of the week? If not, then what went wrong? What do I need to look at? And you find that there are people who are going to have it weekly, monthly, or even daily. Daily is a bit tricky. Daily is a bit tricky. So hard. I want to just get next to you. Just get next to you. So hard, so hard. So hard. I want to wonder. Okay, so those are 3 items so far. So don't keep saying our hands inside. You claim it's not in the cards, and fate is pulling you miles away and out of reach from me. But you're here in my heart, so who can stop me if I decide that you're my destiny? What if we rewrite the stars? Say you were made to be mine. Nothing could keep us apart. Okay. What I was meant to find is up to you. We are into it, our 4th atoms. I love those spikes. Whether I'm in the right direction. Look at that. Beautiful. So just one more attempt to go.
think I don't want you, but there are mountains, and there are doors that we can walk through. I know you're wondering why, because you're able to be just you and me within these walls. But when we go outside, you're gonna wake up and see that it was hopeless after all. No one can rewrite the stars. How can you say you'll be mine? Everything keeps us apart, and I'm not the one you were meant to find. It's not up to you, it's not up to me. When everyone tells us what we can be.
I need a plus over here, guys. Look at that. Congratulations. That is for Ren. Congratulations. Impossible. Rewrite the stars. Okay, so guys, how is it going over that side? We were still talking about okay. You know, I always request so much that we always keep coming through, we keep joining the sessions because it becomes so easy for someone to keep a track of exactly what is going on. You will know just by looking at your chat over there, you will know and you will understand that with the market structure that we are having at play, this is what we anticipate. This is what we are going to do. This is what is going to happen. All right. So please, I'm going to request you, it's a humble request. Keep coming through. Join Lena's live sessions every day. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. 2 hours, just 2 hours of your time. I know there could be many, but we can learn a lot from it, all right? So please keep coming through. It's always a full of vibes, learning, okay, interacting. So keep coming through. Let us chat together, learn together, improve our trading together, all right? So as today we were focused so much on the candlestick patterns, all right? You understanding the candlestick patterns, it helps you so much. Of course, there are things that we are looking out for. How do they help us? Okay, how do they how do they help us? They help us in understanding the momentum. We having rejections, indecisions. How is the market structure? All right. Candlestick patterns are very important. So we always have to understand these things because without them, then it becomes quite difficult. Okay, so with a pullback over here, what do we have? Oh, beautiful. And our pullback gives us a plus. Excuse me, for as long as we do not break below the previous low, we are definitely still in an uptrend. So let's see what it gives us over here. Really. Thank you, all time. Thank you, all time fave. If you wanna go and take a ride with me, baby, one more time. Baby, me on the Hey. I did not see that coming, guys. I didn't see it coming. Oh goodness, oh goodness. Not good, not good, not good at all. We keep it positive, guys, and then we go. So sorry about that. Sometimes all I think about is you. Okay, so let us proceed with Toby over here. Freaking me out. Hassan, good to have you, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? How is it going over that side? Hope all is well. Okay, Dr. S Production, good to have you in the building. How are you doing today? Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Rufus. We have Rufus from Nigeria. We have Rufus all the way from Nigeria. Then we have Rufus. Okay. Good to have you, Rufus. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Sometimes all I think about is you. You are freaking me out. Happy or not? All time favor. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We keep it going. DS, good to have you, good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, so let us take it to a continuation over here. Tight, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Congratulations for Toby. Leonard. It's been freaking me out. All time fave. I'm doing two things at the same time. So okay. I have a small request, all time fave. Is it okay if I do trade for you tomorrow? Because I've tried checking through the messages, but the fact that I'm trading here and checking the other side, I do not want to mess things up. So it's just a humble request. Please allow me after the session. I check through because I've seen a lot of people who sent in their donations and I've not yet worked on them, right? So please, it's a humble request. And tomorrow I will definitely, absolutely trade for you. I'm just begging you. I've been thinking, I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. When the morning comes, Jana Paul, good to have you. What's up, what's up, what's up? Valentine. Okay, good to have you in the building. Alborin. Okay, so we are in a bearish direction over here. Okay. Let us just buy. Of course, when we are in a bearish direction and you see a buy, what comes to your mind is a pullback, right? Beautiful. At a pullback, we have a closing a plus. We need a second plus for our brand. We run our course. We pretended we're okay. Now if we jump together, at least we can swim far away from the wreck we made. But only for a minute. I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. Oh dear. Ooh. No, that means I'll have to leave. Not good energy over here. Alboran, on our second attempt, we have closed in our loss. That is unfortunate. So sorry about that, my dear. So sorry about that. I've been thinking. I want you to be happier. I want you to be happier. Even though I might not like this, I think that you'll be happier. I want you to be happier. Then only for a minute. I want to change my mind. This just don't feel right to me. I want to raise your spirits. I want to see you smile. No, that means I'll have to leave. No, that means I'll have to leave. Hi Godwin. Hi Godwin. What's up? What's up? What's up? How are you doing today? Good to have you. Good to have you. Godwin is in the building. That's our code for Godwin. Good to have you. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. So happy to see you come through. So happy to see you come through. Okay, so that is Bima. Good to have you. Good to have you. How is it going over there? Hope all is well. Okay, Rufus is doing great. That's lovely. Guys, we are still in a bearish direction. First, we have identified that we are in a bearish direction, and over here we are having a continuation. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So let's see how we are going to go about it with, that is Brian. 2 more attempts to go. Are we having a continuation? What is our anticipation over here? Okay, I'm the one, yeah.
I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. You sick of all the imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah. Will. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one.
Hi gamer, what's up? Good to have you. How is it going over that side? And definitely we have closed in a plus. That's amazing. One more to go.
She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. No, look, I'm the club for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her. Baby, that's only me. But you don't get with me. Baby, okay. Yeah, you looking at the truth, the money never lie. No. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the gun. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. You sick of moves, I'm imitator. So let the only real one date ya. See you watching your right. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one. Looking for the one, what bitch you looking at the one? I'm the best yet, and yet my best is yet to come. 'Cause I've been looking for somebody, not just any fucking body. Don't make me catch a body, that's for any and everybody.
Oh my God.
She hit me up all day, get no response. Bitch, you blow my mind, that's like turning gold in my eyes. And when she on the molly, she is down.
Beautiful. Congratulations. Alright. That is a congratulations to Brian Sinclair.
Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now.
I'm the one, yeah.
I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the only one. Another one. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. Don't you know, girl? I am the one for you. My girl come flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Wine up on my party now. Why like it's a carnival?
Okay, so Riley 4 items. Let's see. Party down.
You is life for me. Come in, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Tell me love how you party. She make 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back with more.
Beautiful. We are taking it for 4 items for Riley. 1 down.
She approach me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful, and she pure. Tell you me a door, so wine up, come on, party girl. Wine us like a carnival. Tell me love the way you wine for me. Girl, your wine is so emotional. So wine up, come on, party girl. Be while you come wine, you is life for me. Baby, you're coming, baby. Girl, Girl, you active, no, you know lazy. Girl, you a party animal. You dance so good, you dress so good. Girl, you love all your band. Girl, you drink up the mug, the mug, the. Me no know where you're from, but
Okay, that's a beautiful one.
you meet me tonight, me a follow you a
Two more to
Don't
go.
worry about your friends, they're with my friends. After the club, a party, party ends. So girl, just flip it like a flipper gram, flip it like a flipper gram. Right this moment, wind up on my body, girl. Wind just like a carnival. Girl, me love the way you wine for me. Your line is so emotional. So wind up on my body, girl. Feel how you come wine your waistline for me.
Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. One more to go for Riley, guys. One more to go. Okay. That is some amazing momentum over there. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, look at that, look at that. Congratulations. That is for Riley. I remember the last time I traded for Riley, we closed in a loss. But today we have our profits. Beautiful, 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 beautiful.
Yeah, they thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Now you push me like a big boy till I cuffed you like you did something. You ain't gotta wait for it. You ain't gotta wait for me to give you my love. You ain't gotta wait for it. Things are getting sticky, girl. I think that I'm stuck.
Okay, so guys, that is going to be the end of our donations for today. And we are going to go back into the personal trading for the remaining few seconds. Okay, I'm seeing something here, and I think I was looking for a different name for all time fave. I don't know. Because I looked and I was looking for, which was it? I think, was it Dear Binance, something like that. Like I asked you for the name that you sent the donations, and I remember that name, so I've been looking for that, and I'm seeing something different over here. So which is which? What am I looking for? What am I looking for? What am I looking for? Help me out, all time fave. I'm seeing check Panitu, so I'm quite getting confused. Help me out, my dear. I don't know if maybe you guys are trying to chat. I don't understand.
45 special, this is my cloth. Got to drop an album, this is my fourth. I don't put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. Drop a freestyle and get these hoes perched. Fire burn, they go up your man turn. They burn from my life, yeah, guys. This is another day. Just link with some hot girl out the road. Give me up the way small, pretty bus wine. Rolex, not the pan on the dirty girl tie. I told him pull up on me, faster than Danica. That's on the lawn, trying to blow like harmonicas. He called me queen, he don't think he's the moniker.
Okay, so that is the end of our donations for today, and then the rest we shall start from there tomorrow. Congratulations to my beautiful brothers and sisters who have gone out with profits. And for those that have not made it, all right, please, I'm going to request you to stay positive My sincere apologies for the loss of today, but one thing you should know is that today could be a bad day, and then tomorrow turns out to be an amazing day. Okay, so please keep it positive. Let us keep going. So I'm going to go back. Okay. So, anyways, I'm going to have enough time and I'm going to check through. So, do not worry yourself at all. At all. Yesterday we had some amazing song over here by DJ Sanjay, and I'm seeing it here. I'm already seeing it here. Okay, so guys, we are back into. We are back into. You didn't update two jobs. I'm a DJ, I am a trader. So DJ Sanjay was in play, all right? So anyways, guys, so just for the remaining few minutes that we have, I want to request you guys, if the fact that we come through and we have these sessions, we are trading together, we are learning together, feel free to always let me know what you would love to know in trading, what is giving you a challenge, what is disturbing you, what is preventing you from making profits, such that we work on that particular problem, and then we see how to be making profits together. Okay, so so today definitely in a summary of our candlestick patterns. All right, when we study the candles, all right, we can be able to observe momentum, rejections, indecision, and possible market direction. We are able to identify that over here we are in an uptrend, we are in a downtrend because of the candlesticks that are being formed in that particular direction or moving to that particular direction or in that particular situation. So, what happens? One, when we talk about the candlestick patterns, one, we are going to be able to identify the market structure with the higher highs, the higher lows, or the lower lows and the lower highs. All right. Then, of course, we are going to wait for price to reach an important area, watch the candles for rejection or momentum, all right? Then we look for confirmation rather than entering from one candle alone. I've taken you through and I've told you that we should not focus or put all our energy at just one candlestick that has been formed. Wait for a number of candles to form and then get a clear picture. Are we going to have a reversal? Are we having a continuation? Are we having some strong momentum here, or what exactly is going on? So these are some of the things that we have to understand before we approach or before we actually enter into the market. Remember, candlestick patterns are tools for reading price action, not guarantees of what the next candle will do. All right. Binary options are particularly risky because the outcome depends on price being above or below a specified level at expiration. Remember, we are dealing with expiration times, so we have to go step by step. We have to understand all these things, all right? So, good analysis is about having a consistent process, okay? Have a consistent process, not trying to predict every candle. Not every candle is going to give you what you want, but have a process, okay? Look at, identify the market structure, okay? Wait for that, for price to reach a certain important area that you are targeting. Then watch the candles for rejection or momentum. Are we going into a rejection? Are we going to have a reversal, or are we going to have a continuation? Are we like, consider all those things? Look for confirmations rather than just entering from one candle alone. Do not consider one candle. So, guys, that is it for today with the candlestick patterns. Let me hope at least you have learned something out of it. Okay, let me hope you have. It has been something that has added a bit or two on your trading. All right. But one important thing you have to know is that it's very, very important when we learn and understand candlestick patterns, right? Market structure, very, very important. Knowing the market direction, very, very important. What direction are you dealing with? Okay, if you are in an uptrend, if you are in a bullish direction, how are you supposed to handle that particular direction that you're in? And of course, when we look at the pullbacks, you are not going to wait for just one candle formation and then you conclude that a pullback is going to take place here, or we are having a higher low over here. All right. One step at a time, let us learn together. Rufus, you're welcome, my dear. You are welcome. So we keep it going, okay? Let us keep it going. Smart. That is a smart fix. Hi, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. Good to have you. Okay. All time favor. All right. I will see you tomorrow, and definitely fingers crossed for our profits. All right. You're welcome, Sanjay. You are welcome. Maya. Thank you. Thank you. Thinking of, okay. All right, Sanjay, Daddy Stocks over there. Today we've worked it all out together. Thank you so much, Rufus. Thank you so much, you guys, today. It is a really, really a very amazing session that I do not want to end. I do not want it to end at all whatsoever. I just want us to stick here. I want us to be here together, to trade together, to stay together, to keep enjoying for like at least another full hour. Oh, Sanjay, definitely. I also, this brain always has to rest. Do not always overwork your brain, or do not overwork yourself. Give yourself some time to rest, and then it becomes amazing. All right. After that. We still have a few minutes, around 65 minutes. So tell me everything and anything. As of course, I plus in my entries over here. Yes, baby, I've been thinking about you. Oh dear, oh dear. I've been kicked in the leg. Baby, I can't stop thinking about you. Let's go. It's done something. Baby, I've been thinking about you. Beautiful. Our loss over there definitely has been backed up by a plus. It's done something. Baby, I've been thinking about you. Okay, that is Ati. I don't know if I've said the name correctly.
Baby, there's no one but you. All that I need, baby, it's you. Oh, yeah. I cannot imagine life without you.
Okay, actually, Ati, I'm taking you guys one step at a time. So when you learn, on my end as a price action trader, right? There are certain things that I focus on. Okay, today we have talked about the candlestick patterns, and if you have been around, of course, you know when to look at the different candles, what to consider, what to wait for, what to, of course, to look out for instead of just blindly placing in a trade at one candlestick formation, right? So we have talked about that a bit earlier. Then yesterday we talked about market structure, which is very, very important in me identifying when to place in my trades. Market direction, that is quite easy. That's why I don't focus so much on it. All right. But market structure, very, very important. Candlestick patterns, very, very important because not every pattern that you see concludes to an entry. All right. But you as a trader, you have to have specific ones that you're always going to be looking out for, that you're going to be considering. And you looking at those candles, what should you have in your mind? What should you have in your mind? Is it accompanied by all the other factors, or you're just looking at just candlestick formation? There are other factors that you are going to be considering before you place in. Candlestick patterns, I always say they refine our entries, but look at what is the market direction, right? How is the momentum? Are we having a rejection? Is it an indecision? All right. You focus about all those things. You look at the market structure. What is it telling me? Are we in, first of all, market direction? Are we in an uptrend? If yes, how is the market structure situation? Are we having a higher high, a higher low? How do you deal with it? And what candlesticks have been formed over there? So, with all that in mind, it helps you to identify how or when to confirm your entry. It becomes quite easy when you know how to juggle around and how to tell exactly what you have to look out for in the market. All right. So definitely I will catch you tomorrow and we go through each and everything. I'm just requesting that you come through a bit early and then we get to it. Guys, thank you so much for today. It has been an amazing session. I've loved it so much. I feel so happy. I feel so fulfilled. Trust me, trust me. So thank you so much. I will definitely catch you tomorrow. Okay. The time is 3 p.m. Canadian time. All right. Just make sure that you check in early